In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text in Canva template. Let's start by getting to Canva. Open your web browser, type Canva into the search bar, and head to the official site. Once you're there, log in with your account so you can access your designs and templates. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're in the one where your project lives, so the right files appear on the homepage. On the Canva homepage, locate the template you want to edit. You can open a design you've already been working on, or select a new template from your recent designs or your projects. If you're browsing templates, pick the one that fits your purpose. When you click it, Canva will load the editor so you can make changes right away. Inside the editor, click directly on the text you want to change. You'll see a bounding box appear around it, and your cursor will switch to a text caret. From here, you can highlight the existing words and type your own. If your template has multiple text boxes, like a title, subtitle, and body, click each one separately to edit it. If nothing happens when you click, make sure the text layer is actually selected and not an image or background. With the text selected, look at the top toolbar for the font menu. Click it to open the full list of available fonts. Canva shows a variety of styles, including serif, sans serif, and decorative options. As you browse, the preview next to each font gives you a quick feel for how it will look. Keep consistency in mind. Choose a font that matches the style of your template and is easy to read for your audience. Scroll through the list and pick the font you want. As soon as you click a font, Canva applies it to your selected text. It's normal for the spacing or line breaks to shift slightly when the font changes, especially with script or condensed styles. Take a quick look to ensure the new font complements the design and keeps your message clear. If you need to adjust the size, use the minus and plus icons in the size box on the top toolbar, or type an exact number for precise control. Larger sizes are great for headlines, while smaller sizes work for details. Aim for a size that is readable at a glance and fits comfortably within the layout. If the text feels cramped, dialing the size down a notch often solves it without changing the overall design. And that's it. You've opened Canva, logged in, selected your template, clicked the text, chosen a font, and adjusted the size. All you need to update text in a Canva template with confidence.